What's up, guys? This is a debut slash tutorial type thing of a program I made. It lets you control your computer in like various ways using an Amazon device. You can, I have a list right here. You can shut down your PC. You can search highlighted text. You can type using your voice. You can send keystrokes. You can Google stuff. You can YouTube stuff and more. The main feature, I believe, is to being able to open files on your computer, because if you pair that with another program or other programs in general, it has infinite uses, and even just that by itself is really useful. So this video might be more than one part depending on how long it is, but either way, there'll be timestamps for what you need. So let's get into it. Alright, downloading and installation is next. So for downloading, I have it in my Discord right now. I'll probably have it on more platforms, especially if you ask for it. But right now, just get Discord if you don't already have it, and then download it right here. Once you have it downloaded, you'll get this. So you're gonna need to extract that. I'll extract it into this folder. Name it whatever you're trying to name it. Open it up. Drag everything in there. Boom. Okay, so now you're done with that. Just run this program and your application will start. If you want to do something a bit extra, you can have it start on startup or run on startup. And basically you create a shortcut. You open this URL. Replace this. This will be in the description, but replace this with your username, which is that right here. So you'll start up there, that right there, and you'll go to your startup folder where anything you put in this folder will run on startup. So you already have it here, and you're good. So this is the login window that'll start when you open your program. You're gonna log in with your Amazon credentials, the same one that you use to create your Amazon account or set up your Amazon Alexa device. Basically, for safety, if you want to, you can always have the option of just creating a new Amazon account. If you don't trust the program or whatever, you can create a new Amazon account and then just link it to your Alexa device, and that'll work too. It'll work perfectly fine. Remember Me makes it so you don't have to plug everything in every time, and yeah, you can just press submit. So this is the main interface. It's gonna seem like a lot when I go through it the first time, but once I go through it the first time, you can go back and look through the timestamps, but you should be able to understand mostly everything, and as you use it, it should be pretty easy. And if it's not easy, just tell me. Actually, give me some feedback. I need feedback. I love feedback. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first text right here is what Alexa heard, or what the device heard. So if I were to say, Alexa, hello, it'll change right there. So that's what that does. The second one is which device it heard it from. So that's the name of the device right next to me, Jonathan's Alexa Echo Dot. Whoops. And under here, not ran yet, is supposed to tell you if it's a regular Alexa command, or if the command I used is successful, or if it failed. That's what that's supposed to be. I need to fix it when I change some things, so it doesn't work right now, but it'll be fixed soon. No focus, I'll go over that in a bit because it'll be less confusing in a bit. So let's go to settings. So Remember Me, all these, if you hover over them, they tell you what they do. But Remember Me is the same as the one at the first screen. Just puts in your stuff so you don't have to automatically do it every single time. Auto logins like a bit step further. If you have Remember Me on, you can use this and it'll automatically submit. So as soon as you run the program, it'll automatically go to this screen. Then we have Peak Alexa, which I'll show you in a bit, but basically when a program's activated and it's under something, it'll pop up in front of it like that. Tab controls, and this is something later, doesn't really matter. It just lets you do stuff with your Google Chrome tabs, and I have it so you can turn it on and off if you want to use certain words. But we'll go over that in a bit. Sorry that I'm pushing everything back, but so first, this is the main thing. It's configure activation. There's a bit of it telling you what everything is here in word form. I'll go over that again to make sure everything sounds okay. So we have default folder. We'll skip over this one because it'll make sense. I swear everything will come together. And then we have name this computer. So name this computer is important because if you have multiple computers and want to use this program on all of them, this is also where the focus part earlier comes in. You can say one command and it won't do it on all of your computers. So say I want to open Google. I don't want Google to open, or if I want to open Google on this computer and not my laptop, I can do that. Or if I want to shut my laptop down, I don't want to shut down every computer that this is running down. Like, that's a bit crazy. But if you do want to do that, you can also do that too. But it just gives you the option and the freedom to, not make that mistake. Okay. And now if we go down here, so basically what there's going to be is there's going to be a keyword and a folder. So the keyword would be what you say after Alexa. So you would be like, Alexa, open blank, and it'll search that blank for a file name in this folder that you give it right here. So I can say open any of these. You know what, I'll do an example. Alexa, open Minecraft. Alexa, open calculator. So, Alexa, stop. So, yeah, I can have her open stuff, nice and fun. And Alexa, stop. So, right now, what I'm trying to do is create a skill so she doesn't keep on going like that. You guys can't hear her, but she is still talking to me. That's why I'm telling her to stop. But anyways, specific device. What specific device is basically this. If I only want one device to be able to use a certain keyword and folder, then I can put that in. So I say I only want this to work on with my Echo device dot. I would just put in there, and that would work. So yeah, that's what that's for. And then you have two more that you can use with different folders, and I'll be adding more slots, of course. And so yeah, right now that's about it. There are some special things that you can do, like special words that I talked about earlier, like using and stuff. So if I say, Alexa, open Minecraft and calculator, it'll do both in one command, which is really nice. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you install my new program. If you have any questions or suggestions, ask in Discord or email me. I'll see you guys later.